Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about the concrete strength. What is the concrete strength? Concrete strength means how much load concrete can carry before it crushes. In construction, we mainly talk about the compressive strength because concrete is very strong in compression, very uh, low in tension. So, if a concrete cube or cylinder is pressed in a testing machine, the strength tells us the maximum pressure it can take. When we measure the compressive strength is concrete strength is normally measured at 28 days. Why this is, do you know why we tested it 28 days? Because concrete continues to get stronger with time, and 28 days is common standard point used all around the world. For an example, we take C25, C25, grade 25, 30 concrete. Here you can see the first number is the strength from the cylindrical test. The first number is from the cylindrical strength, and the second number is the strength from the cube test. So the 25 megapascal is the cylindrical strength at 28 days, and the 30 megapascal is the cube strength at 28 days. The megapascal is the unit for the pressure. So bigger number means the stronger concrete. In the cylinder and cube values, why this difference? In the cylinder and the cube values like 25 and 30, why these values are different? Because usually the cubes gives the highest strength value than the cylindrical value. That mainly because of the shape and size of the sample. uh, this is affect the results, so don't worry, both are correct. They are just from the different test methods. Common strength classes in the building. In the building, we use some strength classes like grade 25 or 30, grade 20 or 25, grade 30 or 37, grade 35 or 45. For small residential work, we can use grade 20, 25 or grade 25 or 30 is common. For bigger buildings like columns or heavy loads, engineering may use stronger concrete like C30, these concrete. So we can use for the bigger buildings like heavy loads building. But strength classes not chosen only by the load. It also depends on the exposure, like rain, seawater, chemicals, and the environmental. More aggressive condition may need higher quality of concrete. Many people think stronger concrete means only adding more cement, but real strength depends on many things like water cement ratio, and also mixing of the concrete, and the placing of the concrete, placing temperature, how to cure the concrete, uh, how to cure the concrete. These are the things mainly depending on the concrete strength. An example: imagine two slabs, both use the same concrete mix. One slab is cured properly for 7 days, the other slab is left dry in the sun. The cured slab will usually much stronger and more durable ending. So finally we can say concrete strength is how much compression it taken. We usually check in after 28 days compressive strength using the compressive testing machine. Strength classes like grade 25 or 30 tells cylinder and cube strength in megapascal and real strength depending not only on the cement but also water cement ratio, workmanship and curing of the concrete. Thank you.